With ZoomInfo's likely to engage insights, you can identify prospects who are at least twice as likely to respond to your outreach. First, go to the advanced search. Then, refine your search using filters to compile a list of prospects matching your criteria. Let's say we're looking for marketing executives at energy, utilities, and waste companies. On the right, you'll see a list of prospects with those likely to engage indicated by a flame icon next to either email, direct phone, or mobile. You can sort the list by contacts likely to engage on a specific channel by clicking on Sort By at the top right and selecting likely to engage by phone, email, etc. Dig deeper into any contact by selecting Quick View within your search results to get a pop-up window with their contact information. With ZoomInfo's likely to engage feature, feel confident that you're reaching out as efficiently as possible.